correspondent to Miss M's Mad Math Show, and I'm here to help make it stick. So I have a few vocabulary words that you're going to need to know in order to go through the rest of the show with us. Today, Miss M's Mad Math Show is in 3D. So the first word you need to know is solid. Solid is, in mathematics, a three-dimensional object. Three-dimensional objects like the ones I have in front of me. Prisms on this side, pyramids on this side, and there's also things like a sphere. Those are solids. The other word you need to know in 3D land is net. I'm going to show you what a net is. Here we have this beautiful triangular prism. This is a three-dimensional object. This is a net. It's two-dimensional representation. A net for a triangular prism is always going to have two triangles and three rectangles. So remember your solid, 3D, your net, 2D. Now, when we investigate the properties of three-dimensional objects, there are another few words that you will need to know. The first word you've already heard from our guests. It's called face, okay? And it's not just this one you're looking at. What is the face of a three-dimensional object? Well, it's the flat surface. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. You're looking at a square face. This way, you're looking at a triangular face. Next, edge. You know this word. Sometimes you're standing on the edge of something, the edge of the table. Here's what edge means in 3D mathematics. The same square pyramid, these are the edges. It's where any two faces come together. These are the edges. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges. This next vocabulary word comes to you in two forms. So, two forms, Velcro Vicki, you ask? Well, yes. And this one is called vertex when we're talking about one, and it's called vertices when we're talking about more than one. What does that mean to you? Well, you've heard it called a corner. Yes, my friends, a corner. But in math, we like to fancy things up, and we call it a vertex or vertices. Let me show you. This cone has only one vertex, so that is vertex. This is actually a hexagonal prism. Try to say that 10 times fast. It has a hexagon on its base and opposite side. And this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices, and then another 6, which gives it 12 vertices in all. Those are the corners, and you don't want to run into them because they're sharp. This is Velcro Vicki Vocabulary, signing off for now. I hope to see you soon.